what's happening, guys? Today's video is super exciting because I'm about to dive one of the tallest waterfalls in the entire world with the Avata 2. Right now I'm on a 7-week motorcycle trip through South America, so I don't have any of my longer range or bigger drones with me. So I'm curious to see how the Avata 2 handles. But anyways, we're gonna get in the air and hopefully we can make it to the top of the sky. All right, guys, so we are off. This battery right here is not full, it's at about 30%. And the reason for that is it's honestly just really hard to like charge stuff on these motorcycle trips. So I'm gonna use this battery as a little test battery. Just kind of get a couple shots and see how high the waterfall is. It's actually from top to bottom, it's 700 meters. The max height limit on the Avata is 500, so I'm definitely not gonna be able to make it to the very top. There's kind of like another waterfall staggered here. Wow, holy shit, that was sick. But I think I probably can make it to the top of this one at 1,500 feet, and that is gonna be a really solid dive. And I'm already at 25%. Like I said, RIP to charging anything on these motorcycle trips, but I do have one full battery, so I should be able to do it. And right now I'm at, let's see, 350 meters. So I very well should be able to get to the very top of it and dive down it. I'm not gonna do a super aggressive dive here just because the low battery and the throttle output is kind of worse, but I will do a bit of a small one, just gonna test her out. Wow. And the Avata actually dives really nice, to be honest. Okay, so now that I know that it is possible, I'm gonna come back down in this valley, throw a new battery on, and then give it a rip. And also another side effect of it being like middle of the day is there's really cool rainbows as you come down. Hey, what's happening, guys? I'm finally back at home after our South America motorcycle trip, and I want to take a second to tell you guys about some really cool updates that Artlist has just dropped. If you've watched this channel before, you guys have definitely heard me talk about Artlist, and it's basically an all-in-one place to get music, sound effects, stock footage, templates, plugins, and you can even create AI voiceovers there. It is the place to go if you want to make better videos. And recently they just dropped some awesome updates, making it even easier to find all the assets you need for your videos. So first off, they added new filters for finding stock footage. I use stock footage all the time in my videos just to fill in gaps where I either didn't have time to film specific clips or I literally couldn't. But now there's a bunch of new filters so you can sort by clip duration and orientation, so you can either search for vertical or horizontal. You can now find a ton of vertical stock footage on there, which is really awesome because so much media that people consume is just on their phones. They also made it way easier to find similar clips. So if you're looking for a video somewhere in the jungle, it'll automatically display similar looking footage. Cutting down time on my workflow is huge for me because even if at any particular step you can cut off a few seconds from it, those seconds add up and can just save you a ton of time. And now you can just drop songs directly into either your favorites or artboards, which just saves several seconds every time you have to do that. And finally, they updated featured assets in their AI voiceover feature. So if you hover over any given voiceover, it'll just display literally all the assets that were used to make the little promotional video for that voiceover. You can see music, sound effects, and templates. So if you're looking to create something similar, it's all right there. Artlist is already an amazing resource for filmmakers, and it's just really cool to have a platform that's just constantly making things easier. If you want to try any of these features plus any of the other amazing things that Artlist has to offer, there's a link down below to get 2 free months. So thank you, Artlist, for sponsoring this video, and thank you for just making your platform better and better every single day. All right, let's get back to the second dive. All right, guys, so round 2, I actually have a full battery, which is amazing. And I'm gonna kind of do like a similar line as the last one. I actually just got the same notification as last time, where I'm too high, too far. I have to wait for the satellites to connect. So I'm just gonna kind of like move around a little bit, see what happens, and see if I can get all the satellites that I need. All right, so how I solved that problem was to just keep going away from the canyon The walls were just blocking the satellite connection. So we're good to go now. And the funny part about this waterfall is we literally didn't know it existed at all until yesterday. We were just kind of looking up cool spots in the area that we are, and I just saw this thing that was like one of the world's tallest waterfalls right next to you, which is really cool. So we decided to stop, camped last night, and looking at it today. But for this shot, this is gonna be the actual dive, which I'm so stoked about. But I'm gonna first come around kind of the edge, and then I'm gonna come up. Like I said, I think 500 meters is enough for this one. You'll see in a second, there's actually another waterfall on top of this, so this is only the bottom half of it. This waterfall is just absolutely ginormous. So yeah, this is really only half of it. There we go. I hit the 500 meter altitude limit. So I just gotta come down a little bit. And it's right at the top of the waterfall, which is actually pretty good coincidence. Oh, come on. It's literally right at the top. Come down a tiny bit. Alright, so I'm gonna start the shot. So I really don't want that to happen. It keeps happening. I'm gonna just circle around it, and then I'm gonna dive straight down. I wish I could go literally like 15 feet higher, would be totally fine. Come on. Okay, alright, that's one downside of the Avata, is not going up to past 500 meters. Either way, switch to manual mode. And basically what I'm gonna do is, I really want to see the upper waterfall. I think that'd be cool to have in the shot. So I'm gonna kind of, come from this other direction and then loop around and go straight down. All right, coming in right here. Keep getting the height limit. That is muy frustrating. Alright, this is it. Stay at 480 meters. Not a meter higher. Let's do it. And we're going. Oh my god, I got the full 360 rainbow. Holy shit. Wow. Oh my god. Get this other rainbow. Oh, there we go. Keep going down. And then we're going to do the reveal at the very end. Wow. That might be one of my favorite Avata shots of all time. That was insane. Okay. I got a little bit of battery left, so I'm definitely going to go back for seconds if I can. Wow, that was so sick. Woo. Just grab a couple other shots while I'm on the way. There we go, there we go. Wow. This thing is just absolutely huge. I would love to come back here someday with my other FPV equipment that doesn't have a height ceiling and do both waterfalls. Also, if you guys are curious about what this is color graded on, I'll leave a link down below to the LUT pack that I use. I use it for literally all the footage that I have on this channel. So I'll leave that down below. Oh, let's go. All right. Yeah, probably only have enough battery for one more dive. I'm wondering what kind of entrance I should have for this one. Maybe from the side would be kind of cool. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So right over here. Let's go this way. Holy shit, that was sketch. I hit the height limit and then it almost hit the wall. Fuck. That was very sketch. Okay, go back to manual mode. Come on. Okay. I'm getting very low battery. Okay, so I have to go lower than I was. God, that's so much fun. Holy shit. Alright, don't crash now. Come on. You got it. Oh, my battery's not too great. And the reveal, let's go. Boom. Holy shit, that is one of my favorite shots ever. Fuck. That was insane. Wow. Damn, that was fucking cool. Alright, I got a little bit of time left. So now I'm just going to get a couple little like close-up shots, just flying through these vines. Wow, that was such a sick shot. Oh my god. Man, I wish I had more batteries, but unfortunately I don't. Wow. I'm very stoked on that, as you can see. Option from here. And I'm actually going to come and land after this. Not because I'm fully out of battery, but the throttle output actually goes down quite a bit when you're below 20. And I just do not want to lose that shot. That shot was so sick. So I'm going to come back and land. Alright, so that was honestly like one of the coolest FPV shots I've ever gotten. I'm so stoked that we ended up hiking up here. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely make sure you check out the LUT collection down below if you haven't already. I'm going to try to not keep getting eaten by bugs on this trip, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.